Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord's umkhokha the curse. Things are happening kumkhokha and I am in disbelief, right? Okay, so unomkhosi njengoba bekalendile ugirl alende lapha esontweni lamajudiya abambe uzamcolo acela ucolo ugela kasaboni vele. Angazi ukuthi she completely blind or she partially blind, right? But uzamcolo decided ukuthi akamthathe umakoti wakibo aye naye kuphi, aye naye kaMthembu. Hayi uManzimbande vele angabe happy ngesituation ugirl angamamukeli. Ngithi the way zimbuyela ngakhona unomkhosi, even uNtuthuko does not want to come close to her. uNtuthuko athi angifuni nje ukuthi nje ngibe nami ngi-experience ulaka loMthembu ukusondela into ephambi kwakho angisho nix. Hayi uma busivele imthathe yonke lento abona ukuthi hala umuntu kumele yenze intervention akhulume nomuntu wakhe marinate umuntu wakhe amarinate ke ekumarinate-keni ke umuntu wakhe athi uyamsiza uyamlapha. Ngisho phela she's a doctor and a healer. Athi usebenzisa the Western African spirituality to deal with the mental blindness. Asathi uthi uyamsebenza ngingena uManzimande athi ngithi haka matorokisi stand up phuma khabarkhwa hayi wasukuma yasukela. Asathi ke mabuso uyamtotobisa umsekamareni athi miyeke lo uzozihambela. uManzimande ukwate aye kumaphalala athi maphalala ngibona ngathi lo uyazenzisa uyapretend. Amaphalala athi hayi khululeka akapretend noche akapretend uMthembu udila naye. Guys, what's going to happen? Like ziyabuya umama Mzobe naye seka umuntu oconsent sekasindisiwe sekageze ngegazi lika Jesu uthanda unomkhosi ukubhubha uya interfere intweni zasemathenjini like ubhizi nje ugel. But ke uMthembu ulocate nini uNdlovu because uNdlovu naye needs to be punished. uNdlovu needs to understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Asikhulumeni leyo. What is going to be the punishment kaNdlovu? Because uNdlovu uzibona awumkhululi lights, awuzamcolo lights, awumthembu lights. Aishem. And it says in me mabathi izophela because wow, I love umkhokha. Like let them take a break for 2 months and come back again with a bang and give us a like hot third season. But Ken, what do you think Nomkhosi's fate should be? Do you think Uguti she deserves what's happening to her, considering all the things that she has done? Or do you think that the punishment that is happening to her is harsh? And also, where is Nomkhosi's father in this season, in this situation? Because even though he does not see her every day, I feel like in this situation, he should be present, he should be there. And this is your girl, Disebo D. I love you, peace. Bye.